Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Best budget phone $1,999.99. Best foldable phone yet and a productivity powerhouse. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a quantum leap better than the original Fold. And it needs to be for the high price. The front display is a lot bigger, 5G is standard, and the unsightly notch on the inside is gone. Plus, this foldable is more durable than the first Fold. Samsung has further innovated to make this phone-tablet hybrid a lot more versatile, thanks to a new flex mode. Plus, the multitasking is better for running up to 3 apps at the same time, and several apps have a dual pane view for enhanced productivity. The Galaxy Z Fold 2's cameras are not as advanced as what you'll find on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, especially the zoom, and the design is pretty hefty. Plus, Samsung is reportedly prepping the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for a launch that's tipped for August, a sequel that may offer S Pen support along with other upgrades. But if you're in the market for a foldable phone now, the Z Fold 2 does a very good job of justifying Samsung's high asking price. It's no wonder why we named this the best foldable phone in our Tom's Guide Awards 2021 for phones. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 review, what I like. Bigger front display makes a huge difference. The cover display has grown to 6.2 inches, which means you don't have to use the internal display to get stuff done. The exterior screen is narrower than typical phones, though. Apps finally make the most of tablet-sized screen. For example, in Gmail you'll see your list of emails on the left and the body of messages on the right, and Slack will display contacts on the left and messages on the right. The iPhone can't do this. The multitasking is better. It's pretty easy to create app pairs to launch 3 apps at once. I also like that you can drag and drop content from one window to another in certain apps. Flex mode adds versatility. Thanks to the cam mechanism and the hinge, you can open the display at various angles. Flex mode is there to take advantage of that. For example, in the camera app, you'll see the live previous up top and controls down below. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 review, price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 release date was September 18, 2020. It's available for sale through multiple carriers as well as unlocked. When it debuted, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 cost $1,999 for 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. Note that a microSD card slot is not included and there are no other capacities available. These days, after a permanent $200 price cut, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 sells for $1,799. That could be a sign that Samsung is looking to clear out stock in advance of the anticipated launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 later this year. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 review, design and durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 immediately makes a better impression than the Galaxy Fold because of its larger exterior display. You no longer feel like you're operating Android through a peephole, and that's because the cover screen has grown from 4.6 inches to 6.2 inches. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 review, display. In addition to a larger size, the 7.6-inch main display on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, so you should enjoy smooth scrolling and overall performance compared to the 60 Hz rate on the Galaxy Fold. Plus, because the panel is adaptive, it's smart enough to dial the rate down or up based on the content on screen. Galaxy Z Fold 2 review, software and flex mode. One of the complaints we had about the Galaxy Fold is that many of the apps just felt like blow-up phone apps in tablet mode. But Samsung is addressing this drawback with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 cameras. It's a bit strange to say this, but the $2,000 Galaxy Z Fold 2 represents a step down from the $1,300 Galaxy Note 20 when it comes to the cameras. You don't get a 108MP main sensor, a 5x optical zoom or a 50x space zoom, but you do get 3 capable shooters you can use in a variety of ways. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 review, performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 sports a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor along with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, UFS 3.1. So we would expect similar performance to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 specs. Price, $1,799. OS, Android 10. Main display, 7.6 inches 120 Hz, 2208 by 1768 pixels. Cover display, 6.2 inches 60 Hz, 2260 by 816 pixels. CPU, Snapdragon 865 Plus. RAM, 12GB. Storage, 256GB. Rear cameras, 12MP wide, 12MP ultra wide, 12MP telephoto, 2x optical/10x digital zoom. Selfie cameras, 10MP, cover, 10MP, main display. Battery, 4,500 mAh. Battery life, 10 hours 10 minutes. Size, 6.2 by 2.6 by 0.66 inches, closed, 6.2 by 5 by 0.27 inches, open. Weight, 9.9 ounces.